go, folks. Right. I think I'm getting this. Butt shot. Welcome to Doom 2 Brutal Doom mod. I've recorded this many times, but I'm hoping that I've sorted out my sound. I.e., you can hear me, and they kill you in one hit, those things. Ow. One shot, one kill. Let's open these. Doom. Why didn't he drop a gun? Okay. Oh look, they come out of there. Okay. I did not know that. Howdy. Goodbye. I think you might be able to jump out there, but I'm not going to give it a go. Oops. And there we go. Finding all the secrets. How many bullets? 70. Ooh, itchy nose. Bear with me. Stare at some dead demons while I scratch. There we go. Alright. That was easy. Did I get everything? Yes. Okay. Now I have done this before trying to record. It didn't go well. I died and the sound was bad. So I'm hoping. Butt shot. This one goes better. I know you're in here. How did he die? Whatever, Trevor. Right, let's go down here. Whoa, thank you. Ouch. Thank you. Whoops. Oh, never gets old. Steady. Steady. I think there's another one. Yep. Oh. Oh, he's crawling around. Oh my god. Right. It's time to kick gas and chew bubble gum if I can remember how to open the door. And I'm gonna need this one. Go and do it again. I've got one. See, I died here last time. Because of these. Ow, because of that, exactly. Oh my god. Yep, that scared me. What was that? Man, that is gone. Boom! Nope. Nope. And nope. This is gonna get bad. Missed! Missed! Where are you? Not happening. Oh my god. You coming out now? Oh! I want to get up close and personal with this thing. I wish granted. Oh, this should be fun. Ready, ready, ready. Boom! I'm wasting ammo, but I don't care. Where is he? I can hear him. Fire in the hole! Oh. He's definitely dead now. Oh, I am not very healthy. This isn't going well, in all honesty. I'm looking for lots of med kits. Have the red key? I do have the red key. I need the red key for this to open that. I don't know how, but Doom 2 is definitely a lot more difficult than... Use these 8 rounds, I think. Missed! Double kill. Okay, that was a dragon round. Hello. Whoa! That was a big explosion. Chuck a grenade. Fire in the hole! Ooh! That was more like a nuclear blast, but there you go. Oh, I didn't want to reload. Oh, damn it. Stop instinctively. Right. Oh, damn it. Who's got grenades? Nobody? Ah, I keep doing it. Right, I think this is going well. I have a blue key. There are a lot of dead things. Oh, itchy nose again. Collect these. Right. I think. No. Yep, now let me jump. Oh, so did that. Oh no. Oh, oh, what a way to go. Okay, sound test done. Let's see. See you guys in the next video.